My name is Kuntal Upadhyay and I study in class 5th. Today I am going to talk.
Good morning, sir. My name is Itisita and I study in 7th standard. This is the model of blood circulation in human heart.
Today I am excited to talk about an amazing science model, the seismograph. A seismograph is a special machine.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sohini. I study in class 5th. In our model, we can see how water flows from a
Sir, my name is Naman John. I study in class 7. Today I am excited to talk about something very important, wastewater treatment. Have you ever where the water goes up?
Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my another vlog. So friends, अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 9:30 और मैं स्कूल जाने के लिए तैयार हो गई हूँ और आज मैं ब्लॉग स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि पापा का गला खराब हो रखा है। सो आज हमारे स्कूल के अंदर है साइंस एग्जीबिशन। जैसे हमारे स्कूल के अंदर आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन हुआ था ना, वैसे ही साइंस एग्जीबिशन है। सो उधर भी मैंने है ना मस्त मस्त साइंस प्रोजेक्ट बनाए, वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी और आप हमारे ब्लॉग में बने रहना, आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा। तो चलो मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, फिर आपसे मिलती हूँ।
तो फ्रेंड्स, मैं नहा धो के तैयार हो गया हूँ और वैसे आप लोगों को पता ही है, वो गुंजन ने सुबह बता भी दिया आपको कि आज उसका साइंस एग्जीबिशन है स्कूल के अंदर। तो चलो वहाँ पे चलते हैं और देखते हैं आज उन्होंने क्या बनाया वहाँ पे। तो फ्रेंड्स, अभी आया हूँ मैं अपने गुंजन की स्कूल के अंदर जहाँ पे साइंस एग्जीबिशन होने वाला है और ये है गुंजन की स्कूल। तो ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, अंदर चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है बनाया बच्चों ने। शानदार।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kuntal Upadhyay and I study in class 5th. Today I am going to talk about something we all use to keep cool in the summer, the electric fan. An electric fan is a simple yet amazing science model that uses electricity to create a cool breeze. Inside the fan, there is an electric motor that gets power from the electricity. This motor turns a set of blades very quickly, which pushes air around us, making us feel cooler. The faster the blades spin, the more air they move and cooler we feel. Next time you turn on a fan, remember it's not just blowing air, it's using the power of science to keep you cool. Thanks for visit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Itisita and I study in 7th standard. This is the model of blood circulation in human heart. Our heart is like a super strong pump. It beats to push blood through tubes called blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry blood from the heart and rest to the body, and veins carry blood back to the heart. This whole process happens over and over again, keeping us healthy and strong. Thanks for visiting.
My name is Ekla Dhawan. I study in class 6. Today I want to talk about something really cool called hydraulic wheel. Water is a special thing because it can be pushed and move around to do it. This is called hydraulic. In our model, there are 2 pipes filled with water, and when push a little water into them, the bridge can lift up. It's like a magic, but it's all science. Thanks for visiting, sir.
Sir, my name is Minakshi Jampa. I study in class 7. This is the model of Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan is all Indian mission to explore the moon. The word Chandrayaan comes from 2 words, Chandra which means moon and Yaan which means vehicle. So its vehicle traveled to the moon. In the 2008, the India launched first Chandrayaan mission. In the 2019, the India launched Chandrayaan 2. And the first lander name is Vikram and the first flyer name is Pragyan. Thank you for visit. Good morning, sir. My name is Kamakshi. I study in class 6. Today I am talk about a robotic hand. This model helps us understand how our hand work using muscles and tendons. Instead the muscles, the robotic hand use string, straw and motor to move its fingers. Scientists use robotic hand in space and even factories to do difficult tasks. By creating robotic hand, we learn about engineering, mechanics and problem solving. Thanks for visit.
Sir, my name is Naman John. I study in class 7. Today I am excited to talk about something very important, wastewater treatment. Have you ever where the water goes after we flush the toilet, wash our hands or take a bath? It doesn't disappear. Dirty water, wastewater flow into treatment plants where it is cleaned before being released back into the environment. Our science model shows how this works. The model process include filtration, settling tanks, bacteria cleaning, and purification. Thanks for listening.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jhalak Vijayvargiya. I study in class 7. Today I'm going to explore something super exciting volcanoes. Volcanoes like the nature's firework inside the earth. Very super hot melted rock called magma. When too much pressure builds up, the magma throw out just like a real volcano. How gases inside the earth push magma out. Thanks for visit, sir.
यहाँ पे बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छे से साइंस पूरे बना रखे हैं, बहुत ही मस्त मस्त। और अगला देखते हैं क्या है इसमें। आपके पास क्या है?
This is a water filtration. Water is something we all need to light, but sometimes the water around us is not clean enough to drink. That's where filtration comes in. Filtration is like a big clean up process that helps remove and write practical. Some filter even use special material like charcoal to get rid by the harmful chemical. Thanks for visit. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Navya Sonia. I study in class 7. I am excited to talk about our thief alarm science model. This model is designed to help protect valuable items by alerting us when someone tries to take them without permission. The way it works is simple but very smart. It uses an electric circuit with the switch. When the switch is triggered, like when the door is open or something is moved, the alarm goes off, warn us of possible thief. I hope you like my model. Thanks for visit.
My name is Vanish Modi. I study in class 9. I am going to talk to you about something really cool, an electric bell. An electric bell has a few important parts: a bell, a hammer, an electromagnet, a switch. When you press the button, it closes the switch and allows electricity to flow through the circuit. The hammer strikes the bell and ding dong the bell rings. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Bhumika Mahatma. I study in class 8. Today we are excited to present our sprinkler system, a fun and eco-friendly way to water plants using the power of the sun, on which this is turned that energy into electricity. This is a small water pump that pushes through water using the sprinkle, helping plants grow naturally. Thank you for listening.
My name is Ritika Badia. I study in class 8. I am excited to talk to you about something amazing. Hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming, imagine growing plants without soil. Hydroponic farming is a way of growing plants using water and nutrients instead of soil. With our hydroponic science model, we can see how plants absorb nutrients directly from water. This system is used in many places, even in spaces. Thank you for listening.
My name is Bhavik Verma. I study in class 5. This is a model of pendulum. Today we are going to explore something super cool, the pendulum. You have probably seen one before, maybe in a clock. The pendulum moves because of two forces, gravity which pulls it down and momentum which keeps it swinging. Thanks for listening.
My name is Yogita Verma. I study class 6. Today I am going to explore something super exciting. Volcano. Volcano are like nature fireworks inside the earth. Is magma. When to earth eruption is called magma. Thanks for visiting.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bhumi Jain. I study in class 6. Today I am going to talk about global warming. Global warming happens when gas like carbon dioxide build up in our atmosphere. This gas trap heat from the sun and make the earth warmer. Well, think like burning fossil fuels for cars, factories and even electricity. Thanks for visit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kavi Sharma and I study in class 4. Today we are going to explore something really cool, how laser light reflects off a mirror. Have you ever looked in a mirror and seen your face looking right back at you? That happens because of reflection. And we are going to see how it works with a laser. When we shine a laser light into a mirror, it bounces off just like a ball bouncing on the ground. This is called the law of reflection. The angle which the light hits the mirror is the same angle it bounces off. Thanks for visit, sir.
Morning, sir. My name is Gurpreet Kaur and I study in class 5. Morning, sir. My name is Krishna and I study in class 5. Today I am talk about something that is all around us but we cannot see. It's air pressure. Air is everywhere. Any given thought we cannot see weight up space. This
Good morning, sir. My name is Tanmay and I study in class 7. Today we are going to present our science model, vaporization in work. In this process, we have a plant covered with polythene to show how vaporization works. Plants take water through the roots and this water moves up to the leaves. When the sun shines and air is warm, this water in the leaves change its form and escape in the air. By covering the plant with polythene, we can see small droplets forming inside. This happens because the water vapor gets trapped and turns into the liquid. This shows how plants release moisture in the air. This helps in the water cycle and keep our environment cool. I hope you are enjoy learning about vaporization plant. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rishira Sharma. I study in class 8.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ayush and I study in class 8.
I am very excited to take about this system, a smart way to save water and plants grow. This system is a special method where water drips slowly through the roots of plants, just like tiny. Our motto showed this system works. It was my tiny holes and a water source to demonstrate how water reaches the plant drop at all. Thanks for visit, sir.
Thanks for visit, sir.
Hey sir, my name is Pradyuman Singh Bhatia and I study in class 8.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jasmine and I study in class 5. Have you ever wondered how soda machine works at restaurant? Well, our model helps us understand the science behind it. Soda dispenser use pressure, gravity and valves to mix syrup with carbonated water, creating the fizzy filler. When you press a button or pull a lever, the machine releases the right amount of syrup and soda, giving you the perfect taste every time. This simple yet fun science model teaches us about fluid dynamics, air pressure and mechanics. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Hassan. I study in class 8. I am going to talk to about something really uncool, an electric bell. An electric bell has few important parts: a bell, a hammer, an electromagnet and switch, and when you press the button, it closes the switch and allow electricity to flow the circuit. The hammer strikes the bell. Ding dong, the bell ding. Thanks for visit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Virat Rathod. I study in class 5th. This is a model of organic farming. Organic farming is a way of growing fruits, vegetables, and grains without using harmful chemicals. Instead of artificial fertilizers and pesticides, farmers use natural things like compost, cow dung, and friendly insects to grow healthy crops. Thanks for visit.
Hello, sir. My name is Khalif and I study in class 10. Today I am excited to talk about our Thresher machine science model. A grain cleaner machine is an important agricultural tool that helps farmers separate grain from the harvested crop. Our model shows how it works. A pan is cleaning the grain from unwanted light material. Thanks for visit.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manan and I study in class 4. Water is something we all need to live, but sometimes water isn't clean. Filtration is like a big cleanup process that helps remove dirt, germs, and bad chemicals from water, so it is safe for us to use. Thanks for visit.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Paras Marmera and I study in class 8. Today we are going to explore something really cool: water density using just a lemon and a salt water. Imagine you drop lemon into a glass of a plain water. What happens? It sinks. But if we add lot of salt, the water and stir it well, the same lemon starts flow. It is like magic. Well, it actually science. Water has density. When we add salt, we make the water denser. Just like how the easier to float in the ocean than in the swimming pool because the ocean has salt. Thanks for visit.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Bhumika Chauhan. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to talk about something that is all around, but we can't: air pressure. Air is everywhere, and even though now let's see experiment. Thank you for visit.
Good afternoon sir, my name is Mithilesh. I study in class 7. See, I take an empty glass with a piece of cloth and push it straight down into a bowl of water. It is invisible and take uses for breathing and fly aeroplane and kites. For thanks for visit.
Sir, and I study in class 8. Today I am excited to introduce to a fascinating and fun way learn about electricity or electric current. Thanks for this.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Arohi Roy and I study in class 5th. Today let's talk about something super cool: water density, how different liquids behave in water. Imagine you have a glass of water. Now what happens if you slowly pour honey into it? It sinks to the bottom. But if you add oil, it floats on the top. Why does this happen? It's all because of density. How heavy or light something is compared to the same amount of another substance. So next time you see something floating or sinking, remember, it's all about the density. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Mansi Kawal and I study in class 10. This science model shows us how water from rooftop can flow down pipe and be collected in big containers. We can use this water for things like watering plants, cleaning, and even for drinking after it's cleaned and treated properly. By using water harvesting, we help protect our environment. Thus, it's a smart way to make sure we always have, even during dry times. Thanks for visit.
Sir, my name is Sonal Sang. I study in class 8. This model shows the effect of pollution. Pollution is when our pure water and get dirty because of things like smoke from car, plastic waste, and chemical. It hurts animal plants. But the good news is we can help plant more trees. Say no to plastic bag. Thank you, sir. Thank you for visit, sir. Thank you for visit, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Yashika Bhalia and I study in class 8.
My name is Vanshika. I study in class 8.
Please see inside this device and tell me what you have seen. This is a kaleidoscope and it actually based on science. It works using mirrors and reflection. When light enters it creates amazing patterns. This has happened because laws of reflection in physics. Thanks for visit, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Vika Sanka. I study in class 8.
My name is Ekta. I study in class 8. Our model shows how an electric lift works using a motor, pulley, and rope. When the motor turns on, it pulls the rope and lifting the platform. When it turns the other way, the platform comes down safely. Just like the elevator, this system makes it easy to move things up and down without using too much effort. Thanks for visit, sir.
My name is Suresh and I study in class 7. This science model shows us how water from rooftops can flow down the pipes and be collected in big containers. We can use this water for things like watering plants, cleaning, and even for during dry times. Thanks for visiting.
Sir, my name is Divya Sonia and I study in class 6. Today I am excited to talk about an amazing science model, the seismograph. A seismograph is a special machine that helps you delete and muscles when it's earthquake comes. The earth is moved and the seismograph is captured through movements. This model is very important as yearly working. Thanks for visit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Akash and I study in class 7. This is a model of electrolysis. Electrolysis is a way to break down substance using. We take a liquid like water with some salt or acid, put two electrodes inside and connect them to a battery. When the electricity flows, something incredible happens. The liquid breaks apart and tiny bubbles are appeared. That new gases are formed. You can use electrolysis to make hydrogen fuel, clean metal, and even extract pure element in compound. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sohini. I study in class 5th. In our model, we can see how water flows from a higher place to lower place due to gravity. This is exactly how real waterfalls work in nature. Waterfalls are formed when a river flows over rocks and slowly wear them away over time. Some famous waterfalls like Niagara Falls and Angel Falls are so big that millions of people visit them every year. Thanks for visiting.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vedehi Jangir. I study in class 4. Good morning, sir. My name is Deepika Sonia. I study in class 4. This is a model of human body system. First, we have the brain, the boss of the body. It helps us control everything we do. Then, here is a heart which pumps blood like superhero. Then, here is a heart which pumps blood like superhero, delivering oxygen to every part of our body. And don't forget bones and muscles. They keep us strong, healthy, and help us to move. Thanks for visiting.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nipun Bala. I study in class 6. Your science project today. So, how find the blood spin and that movement can come in a small machine. Imagine using brain charger gadget. So, light up a room. So, think about a planet to thank you.
Sir, my name is Neel Kumar Bhalia. I study in class 6.
Good morning, sir. My name is Prafu Soni and I study in class 6. Today I am excited to talk about our non-flying airplane science model. We are showing a model that helps us understand airplane structure without actually flying. Our model represents the key parts of a real airplane: wings, tail, landing gear. Even though our model does not fly, we just engineering and creativity. It helps us see how to use the airplane and how they work in the sky. Thank you for visiting.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Gunjita Soni and I study in class 7. This is a model of day and night. Today we are going to talk about something we all experience every day, day and night. Have you even wondered why the sun shines during in a day and disappears at night? Well, our earth has a secret spin. Imagine a spinning of top, just like that. The sun in the earth faces in the sun, it become day, and the earth in the sun, it become night. It takes 24 hours in one full turn. Thanks for visit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vidit Swami and I am in class 7. Today we are going to explore something that keeps us warm during cold days. A heat item working by electricity or fuel to heat angry. We use a simple circuit with a heating coil that gets on when electricity passes through it, making a room warm and cozy. Through this model, we can understand angry. Thank you, sir.
फ्रेंड्स, हमारे साथ है स्कूल के हेड सर और इनसे हम बात करते हैं और थोड़ा इसके बारे में पूछते हैं।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं प्रताप सिंह भाटी, HM नेहरू मेमोरियल सेकेंडरी स्कूल। आज हम साइंस के है, उसमें हमने साइंस एग्जीबिशन रखी है और बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत करके यहाँ पे कुछ मॉडल्स बनाए हैं कि आप विजिट करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि बच्चों को एक्चुअली हमारा मकसद ये है कि बच्चे एजुकेशन सीखें और साथ ही साइंस के प्रति उनकी क्यूरियोसिटी जागे। तो निश्चित रूप से निसंदेह हमें आने वाले टाइम में इसरो में बहुत से ये जो हमारे लिटिल साइंटिस्ट हैं वो इसरो में अपनी सेवाएं देंगे, नासा तक जाएंगे और साइंस के जो फील्ड है वहाँ पर हमें कुछ नया इनोवेशंस और कुछ नए चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी। थैंक यू। तो बात ये थी कि हम विंटर वैकेशन में बच्चों को साइंस के प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए थे और वो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने कंप्लीट करवाए और जब वापस स्कूल री ओपन हुई तो मैं देख के बहुत ज़्यादा इतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हुआ कि जो जैसा बच्चों को कहा वैसा बच्चों ने बना लिया। सो दैट वहीं से हमें आइडिया आया कि क्यों ना दूसरे बच्चों को भी मौका दिया जाए क्योंकि वो पर्टिकुलर एक क्लास तक था एंड क्योंकि 28 फरवरी साइंस डे आने वाला था तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि इसी दिन हम एक बड़ी एग्जीबिशन रखते हैं। फिर पिछले महीने 1.5 महीने से मैं और मेरा पूरा स्टाफ उनके साथ बच्चों के साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो घर से कार्डबोर्ड पे लेकर जाना हो, चाहे उसकी बैटरी खराब होने पर रिप्लेस करवानी हो। हालांकि परेशानियाँ खूब आई लेकिन जब आप जो रिजल्ट आप देख रहे हैं वो मैं कहूँ तो पैसा वसूल है। तो ये बच्चों की एक्चुअली मेहनत है, इनका डेडिकेशन था इस एग्जीबिशन के लिए, अपने मॉडल्स के लिए और वो उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया। नहीं सर, बहुत बढ़िया है और आपने बच्चों पे काफ़ी भी ध्यान दे रहे हैं और काफ़ी मतलब उनको आप अप्रिशिएट भी कर रहे हैं। तो बाकी बच्चे को देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है कि वो इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं इस चीज़ के अंदर। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, थैंक यू सर। एक्चुअली बच्चों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म स्कूल की जिम्मेदारी है कि हम उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल कराएं। आपने देखो पूरे साल से हम एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, बच्चों को सिंगिंग का मौका दे रहे हैं, बच्चों को डांस का मौका मिल रहा है, पोइट्री का मौका मिल रहा है करने का। तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म है और अब क्योंकि साइंस ही सब कुछ है आज की डेट में, तो हमें लगता है कि साइंस के प्रति बच्चों की क्यूरियोसिटी जो है वो लगातार बनी रहेगी और इससे आपको फायदा मिलेगा। बिल्कुल सर, बहुत बढ़िया, आगे भी सर ऐसे प्रोग्राम होते रहेंगे। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, आपका सहयोग रहेगा। बिल्कुल सर, थैंक यू सर। हम गायत्री मैडम जी इनसे बात करते हैं कुछ। जी मैडम जी बताइए क्या है, क्या कर रहा है?
सर आज ना नेशनल साइंस डे है, इसके उपलक्ष्य में बच्चों ने साइंस एग्जीबिशन रखी है क्योंकि आज पूरे भारत में साइंस एग्जीबिशन की थीम है विज्ञान फ्यूचर की ओर। तो उस पर्पज को लेकर हमारे बच्चों ने साइंस एग्जीबिशन तैयार किया है और बच्चों ने सेल्फ वर्क किया। सभी बच्चों ने हर पर डे 2 पीरियड्स लेके प्रोजेक्ट सारे स्कूल में ही तैयार किए और उससे बच्चे बहुत क्रिएटिव होंगे, इनका माइंड डेवलप होगा और क्रिएटिव माइंड होकर बच्चे आगे अपने फ्यूचर में और भी कुछ नया करने की।
तो फ्रेंड्स, मैं गुंजन के स्कूल से घर आ गया हूँ और काफ़ी अच्छा साइंस एग्जीबिशन था। बच्चों ने खूब मेहनत की और अच्छे अच्छे अपने जो साइंस के प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किए हैं। अब गुंजन आएगी 3 बजे स्कूल से, तो ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, मैं खाना वाना खाता हूँ फिर आपसे मिलता हूँ।
सो फ्रेंड्स, मैं स्कूल जाके आ गई हूँ और हमारे साइंस का एग्जीबिशन बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा और स्कूल के अंदर बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे साइंस के प्रोजेक्ट बना के रखे थे। आपने व्लॉग के अंदर तो देख ही लिए होंगे। और फ्रेंड्स, कल है मेरे मंथली टेस्ट, सो मैं भी करूँगी बैठ के पढ़ाई। तो इस व्लॉग को रखते हैं इतना ही। अगर आपको ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगा हो तो व्लॉग को लाइक कर देना, चैनल पर नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना। मिलते अगली वीडियो में, बाय बाय।